Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, I'd like to say welcome and please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I would like to show you the simplest way to cut a princess dart. So first things first, from your starting point, measure your shoulder length divided by 2 and also your armhole depth divided by 2. Mark and connect together on a straight line. Connect together here. Then you come down from your shoulder by 1 inch. Then you measure your neck depth, neck width, and also the neck depth, and then you connect together with your curve ruler. Then you also connect your shoulder slope here. Then you go ahead to take your nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. You mark it all the way down and connect together on a straight line. After which you start imputing your bust point. You put your bust point and your waist measurement, your waist point, yes, your waist point. Then you connect on a straight line. From the center front, you take 1/2 inch on the under bust point and the waist point too. Then from the side front, you come out with 1.5 inch. Then you connect on a straight, you connect together. Then you use your curve ruler to connect from your under bust to your bust point. Then you come to the armhole, you mark your midpoint, come together up by 1/2 inch and also down by 1/2 inch. Then from the lower part, you come out by 1 inch. Then you connect your midpoint, your mid armhole to your bust point. You connect the first line to your mid bust point and then connect the other one to your bust point. Then you correct your armhole depth. Then you start inputting your bust point and your waist measurement. Yes, inputting your bust measurement and your waist measurement. Then you also had your allowance while doing that. Your bust measurement, you divide it by 4. Then you impute it. Also your waist measurement divided by 4. You also impute that and you connect together just the way you see me do. Then you go ahead and cut them out just as I am doing. Thanks for watching. Bye.